Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to download Visual Studio for C++. First, go to Google and then type in Visual Studio, and then click on the Visual Studio site, and then go to Download, and then click on Visual Studio Community Edition. After it's been downloaded, you can go to the Start menu and then click on Visual Studio Installer. Then you can modify the community edition of the Visual Studio. And then you want to select desktop development with C++ and install it. Now I already have mine installed, so I'm just going to go to the I'm just going to go create a project. Now I'm going to open up Visual Studio, and here I want to create a new project, and then I want to select C++ from the languages, and I want the platform to be Windows, and we'll just leave the project types there the same, and then we're going to click on an empty project. We're going to click on next, and we're going to name this I'm going to name this project C++ tutorial. You can name it anything you like, and then I'm just going to create it. And here you have your Visual Studio solution, and we're just going to add a quick source file. Let's add a C++ file. Let's call it main.cpp, and then let's add it. We have to add it to the source files. So I'm just going to press Control and scroll up the mouse wheel so you guys can see it better. First, let's include IOStream. Then next, we want to create our main method, and you want a return value of 0. And we're just going to write down up here using namespace std, and then we're going to add cout and hello world. So this is our first program. It's a hello world program, and then we're just going to go to debug, or we can just click here, local Windows debugger, and here we have hello world displayed in the console. So this is our first program, hello world, and I'm going to explain a little more about it in the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.